In this video, I will let you know how to switch language on Paramount. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. So first of all, go to the Google and search for the Paramount Plus. Then go on to the Paramount. If you have the subscription, sign in and start the movie. After starting the movie or any other series, if you click onto this subtitle, then you will see the subtitle settings. Click onto it and then a message sign will appear. Click on it and here you will be able to see different options like American English or the Korean, any of the language which is available. So after that, click onto the subtitle settings. You will see the font size, font type, font weight, font color, background, and after that select your desired language and click on OK. So in that way you will be able to switch language on Paramount. If you have any question, you can comment below, and if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe.